If everybody else is listening to this, I'd like them to raise their glasses to a wonderful man who's done a great job over the last how many years now of raising family and what's the matter here? And cheers everybody. Down here. We're going to muck around for a while, me and Claudine. Before we get all dressed up for the occasion, stand up, Claudine, show me our pants. We'll got all dressed up in our shorts and that.
Hi, Nan.
Hello, Nan. Hello, Mum. Hello, all the family. I'm sure everybody...
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.